So this thing to me is like Bayede because it's an intro, isibingelelo. So nje this album is just an intro of what I still need to do
Abantu
more.
nje abazi ukuthi udanya igama lakho nesibongo liphiwa abazali bakho nje ungasichazela nje kafushane ukuthi uba
Yeah,
Nkosi yoshut mina sicisha athini Bayede wena kaAzande.
yeah.
Sanibonani, welcome to Umculo Online. Khale kamaskandi ke na Afro Pop igama lami Aniswa kaMayeza. Kanti namhlanje ngiphathele udanya. How you doing buddy?
Hayi ngiyaphila sisome na.
Ngiyaphila mfethu for abantu nje abazi ukuthi udanya igama lakho nesibongo liphiwa abazali bakho nje ungasichazela nje kafushane ukuthi uba
Yeah, ngosiphelele ngaxolo nje mfethu. Yeah.
Shout out. Danya mfethu ngibonile ukuthi ngebirthday yami 23 you're dropping an album and it's titled Bayede. Can you tell us ukuthi uBayede uqhamukaphi? Why Bayede? What does it mean to you?
Oh, ipete yakho. Oh, dope. Buy gift emnandi. Yeah, 23rd January 2026 of course. I'm dropping an album called Bayede. Yeah, Bayede simple nje mfethu inkosi vele moyibingelela uthi Bayede. So this thing to me is like Bayede because it's an intro, isibingelelo. So nje this album is just an intro of what I still need to do more.
Like intro since it's your first album writing solo.
For sure.
So can
Isibingelelo nje uthi nje Bayede inkosi yoshuna.
Nkosi yoshut mina sicisha athini Bayede wena kaAzande.
Hayi wena yabonana.
But can you tell us ukuthi like kule album le unengoma engaki and usebenzile mhlambe ne legend or someone you've always wanted to work with ubani lo muntu ukuthi ukhona?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I've worked with so many people, you know. Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi into le isiqalo, so I feel like I have 18 songs. Yeah, I feel like that's more than enough. I work
Yeah,
with so many people. Yeah, so nje. This is just like part one of what I still need to do. Yeah, so nje I've worked with so many people and ngiyajabula nje ukuthi wonke umuntu ungisizile ukuthi lento ibe success. So yeah.
And then kule ngoma lezo zu18 iyiphi ngoma oconnecte nayo kakhulu othi yabo le nje uconnecte nayo kakhulu out of all the 18 songs?
Yeah, dog, it's like you asking me if I can choose between my babies, which one do I like the most? But yeah, more than anything, first I think ngiyithanda yabo. Yeah, I don't want to lie to you. I think the last track, yeah, that ingoma is 18.
Usebenza noba?
Ngisebenze ngedwa kodwa ngisebenze noSakhile, yeah, umfo wami. Yeah, shout out, like I've been working with him since I don't know, like since album yase Black Diamond inqola yaba. So I think ingoma futhi ekade sayenza isikhathi eside nje futhi kamela isikhathi eside. Yeah, it's the last song. I think like I resonate with that song more.
Muhle umsebenzi wakho but ke lezi ngoma ezo18 silalela nini kanjani? Any like party listening session yana kuphi nini?
Yeah, definitely. Ngiyidropa 23rd, it's called Bayede. Pre-save, I don't know siphumile kodwa nje album yami Bayede. So 22nd I'm doing this thing at I'm in Egoli Artistry, then Friday I'm dropping the album, then Saturday I'm going to Banana KZN at Tubane, South Coast, yeah, by